Hey guys, hope you are well and welcome back on this my Salesforce Health Cloud tutorial video. Okay, so in this today's session, I am going to talk about how do we create a patients list to make it better for provider and care team, right? So let's get started. Okay, so this video teaches you to how to create a better patients list in the health cloud by connecting the extra information. Okay, so this is the way you can get all the key details in one place, making it much easier to manage patients care, right? So the patients list shows uh, the all the patient information by the specific criteria or the specific filter, right? So in this video I will show you to how to create a or customize a list view for the patients list in health cloud, right? Focusing on the adding related data, okay, and the patient information, and that make them more useful, right? So let's get started. Okay. Okay, so go to the application health cloud utilization management, right? Go to the patients from here. Oops, I think I am, yeah. Okay, so this is the patients list for all the patients, right? So if you wanna see for some patients based on some criteria, okay. So here is the concepts where we can create that list, okay. So from here you can create a new list, right? We can for this example I am going to create with the contact and account, right? If some objects are which is not available in this list, right? Okay, so for that what we are doing, so go to the uh, sorry, yeah, cross object relationships, okay. So from here you can create a new cross object relationship, right? So for example I am giving this test, right? I'm not going to save it, okay. I'm just for giving information you on the high level, okay. So on the object, if I want to create the relationship list for the contact and account, right? So I need to write here the parent object like account, and here is the contact. Oops. Okay, and the relationship we can say contact, okay. So here is some basic examples where you can see the cross object relationship, okay, to be shown in this list, okay. So in this example I am avoiding this to create, okay. So let's say create a new list for the contact, because the contact is visible here, that's why I'm not creating uh, the cross object relationship, okay. So the contact, let's say uh, okay, okay. So let's say for example I want to show all the contacts, right? Okay, which have the gender male, okay. So click on next. So this is the customization display, like what fields you want to display on the UI, okay. So I am going to save the account name here, and from here contacts email, first name, gender, okay, and the last name, and the last is title, okay. So the gender would be here, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna click on next. uh, like let's give this list to the name like all male contacts, right? Click on save. Okay, so okay, so the list created successfully here, as you can see on my screen, right? So these are the contacts, okay, who have the gender male. Okay, so if you wanna verify it, let's just verify this. Open developer console. This list showing us 6 items, right? So let's just verify this. Okay, no worries. I'm going to make the SQL, okay, to be ensure the list is showing correct or not, right? So let me just paste it here, execute. Okay, so the 6 items, right? The contacts who is which have the this list to be shown. Okay, the 6 items, this list will be shown. Okay, so okay, so yeah, so this is the concept of how you can create the patient list, right? Uh, to show the basic information like name or profile or whatever. Okay, and you can customize this list including the extra useful information that fits your needs. Okay, and the cross object relationship, sometime the related data like a patient's contact and accounts is not directly visible in the patient lists. That's why I'm described that we need to create the cross object relationship new record if you're not able to see any objects in this list, right? So if you are not seeing any objects which you want to create with the list, you need to create first cross object relationship. Okay, and then you will be able to see here. Okay, okay, so let me just summarize you whatever we did in this video. Okay, so the patient list makes your patient list more user friendly and powerful, right? It helps healthcare teams to keep track of everything easily without multiple clicks, right? And even though the setup might not look simple, connect and display the cross object field required careful attention. Okay, okay, and the magic is that the cross object relationship, you can bring the data from the related objects like parent or child objects. We can uh, see the information at one place or with together, right? Okay, so this video teaches you how to this video teaches you how uh, to create a better patients list in the health cloud, connecting extra information, right? Like for the example, contact and account, as you can see in the on the screen, right? And this making it much easier to manage the patient's care, right? So this is all about what I'm gonna uh, described in this video. Hope you are hope this will help you to make your concepts better. Thank you.